I've been thinking about getting a bobbin winder for a while now. It's really frustrating when I have to stop sewing because I ran out of thread in my bobbin. Finally got one via Amazon and excitedly unboxed it as soon as it arrived. It was pretty compact. The box came with a bobbin winder, the plug, and of course the instructions. It's pretty easy to figure out, but honestly, I should have read through the instructions first before I used it. I checked first whether the plug would be safe to use in my country because we have a different voltage. It will work, but since it can work with batteries, I just decided to use it with batteries. Good thing we have extra batteries, so I just installed it. Like a child, I immediately pressed the red button. Apparently, pressing it again won't stop the winding. It just took about 20 seconds. In hindsight, I should have bought this as soon as I thought about getting one. The winder automatically stops as soon as it's done. When you're finished, you can set aside the spool and the guard for the thread. Easy peasy.